Welcome! In today's video, we're going to walk through how to enable incoming call notifications on Messenger. If you've ever missed an important Messenger call because the notification didn't show up, this quick guide will help you fix that problem in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, open your phone and go straight to Settings. This is where all the important controls for your apps live. Scroll down your list of settings and look for apps. Tap on it to see all the applications installed on your device. Next, find Messenger in that list. Once you tap on it, you'll see different options to manage how Messenger works on your phone. The one we want to focus on is Notifications. Go ahead and tap on that. Inside the Notifications section, you'll see that Messenger has different categories of alerts. These categories let you choose exactly what types of notifications you want to receive. Look for the option that says Notification Categories. When you tap on it, you'll find several toggle switches. Now comes the most important step. Among those options, find the one labeled Incoming Calls. If the switch is turned off, it means Messenger won't alert you when someone tries to call. To fix that, simply toggle Incoming Calls on. Once you do this, your phone will be able to notify you whenever someone calls you through Messenger, just like a normal phone call. That's it. You've successfully enabled incoming call notifications on Messenger. From now on, you won't have to worry about missing important calls from your friends, family, or colleagues. To quickly recap, go to your phone. Settings, tap on Apps, select Messenger, tap on Notifications, open Notification Categories, and toggle on Incoming Calls. It's a simple process, but it makes a big difference. Now your Messenger is fully set to keep you connected and alert whenever a call comes in. Thanks for watching.